Hello Plonkers, Daft Scots Lass here, and it's been such a long time since I've actually vlogged. Cold, sore, ouchy. I haven't really had anything to vlog about, and today's no exception actually. So I'm just going to talk random nonsense. Say hello Emma. Hello Emma. Anyway, yesterday friends and I, we drove 2.5 hours to go to Klerksdorp for the 2012 National Cheerleading Competition. Woohoo! And it turned out to be quite an okay day actually. The wind was blowing a gale and it was fucking freezing, but it was worth it. We had a good time. Normally when our friends get together, it doesn't matter what we do really, we always have a good time. And then drove 2 hours back and went to Mandy's house and had a bit of supper, and that was about it. So it's been quite a quiet weekend actually. Didn't do anything on Friday night, and today we went to the shops a bit, and I got some new trainers. You want to see them? They're so cool. Got my new trainers. Oh, aren't they cool? They're pink. Yes, I was in desperate need of some new gym shoes. My other ones were falling apart and it was actually quite embarrassing to wear them around gym. So I had some more money left from my birthday, thanks to Renelle, and I went to the Glen and bought myself the trainers and a new gym bag. So, all in all, a good shopping spree. Oh, my birthday was absolutely awesome. What a great party. Everybody went to so much trouble to dress up, and there was maybe like 3 people out of 50 that didn't make an effort and dress up, but you know what, it was great to have them there too. Everybody had a good time. Didn't get to spend as much time with everybody as I wanted to, but you know, there were so many people there that I had to say hi to and hang out with. Dozens of shooters down the line, and you kind of forget who you've said hi to and who you haven't, and who you've hung out with and who you haven't. Yeah, and it was a great party all in all. 40th to remember, and I'm sure that you've seen some of the photos on my blog. If not, I'll put the link down below and you can go and check it out. It was awesome! Just a quick vlog to say hello, hi, and I'm still alive, still kicking. So back to work tomorrow. Yeah, not too happy about that. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a great week. Bye!